So this is the PEPKUBALL pickleball paddle that I have been playing with today. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me. So this is the pink color. There are a lot of other colors and designs you can pick from as well. So first off, let's see, it's got this nice pink edge guard there to protect the racket. Has this cool blue-pink gradient on it. So you got the logo there. Has this carbon fiber surface on it there, which gives you good control and traction on the ball so you can hit topspin and different types of shots. It's nice and stiff as well. Has a polypropylene core inside, which makes it nice and stiff and very lightweight. Paddle itself, yeah, it's very nice and lightweight. Able to hit a variety of shots with it. Has this soft cushioning grip there, which absorbs sweat, provides some traction on your grip. So yeah, this is a very nice racket for players of all skill levels. A really nice design as well, and it comes with the cover and an extra grip as well. So if you are looking to pick up a really nice paddle for your game, be sure to check this out.